Hey, it's Jeff, parts manager at Trev Daily Motorcycles, and let's talk about the Pan America some more. And here is something that you'll want to get if you are doing your off-road adventures, and maybe even if you're not. Now, the Pan America does come with a small toolkit, but it would be nice to get a little bit more beefier one with a few more extra tools on it. So Harley does make this additional toolkit, and this is something, if you're getting into that serious off-roading, you want to make sure you have the right tools with you if you do need to make fixes as you go. And so I would say if you're new to off-roading and riding adventure bikes and you just got yourself a Pan America, but this is your goal, number one, get yourself a course, learn the riding. It is different riding. You will enjoy it immensely once you get those riding techniques down. And you'll also learn about some of the maintenance and some of the things that could happen in the bush that will let you get out of the bush. But definitely a must-have would be this toolkit. It's got some nice features on it too. It comes with some duct tape. It comes with some zip ties just to get things fixed on it. Now, one of the things I like to do when I'm checking out the parts just before I do these videos is to go to the Harley website, read some of the reviews on it, see if these are being well reviewed. And I saw an interesting review on the Harley site on this one. It was a customer that had used this vice grip. So it comes with this vice grip, and they had broken off the shifter peg, which is something that could happen if you're off-roading hard and you break something off. And they used the vice grip as a shifter peg, so they were able to keep riding their bike and get out from where they were. I would never have thought of that. You can be very creative, but if you're getting that off-roading, definitely recommend get yourself this kit. And hey, if you find yourself in that situation, you lose your shifter peg, well, you got yourself a vice grip and you got a backup. This one here could save, or I'll be dramatic, save your life, but definitely save your trip.